Hi everybody, my name's David Morovitz. I'm the sales manager for Europe for Trinnov Audio. Thank you for coming by the booth today to see our presentation. We're here partnering with Procella Audio, Kaleidoscape. We have Sony doing the projection for us today. I'm just going to run you through the clips that we're showing today at ISE. I just want to give you a bit of context to the clips. So, firstly, we're going to start with the Trinnov cinema trailer. Okay, now some of you may know Trinnov work in commercial theatre. We also work in the pro audio recording market, and we also work in residential, obviously, which is why you're here today. This trailer is actually going out to our commercial cinema customers. So if you go into a commercial theatre where Trinnov is part of the processing, you will see this trailer. So hopefully you enjoy that. We're then going to move on to the ISE theatre presentation. That's going to give you much more information about the 15.3.10 solution that we are showing today. So I won't spoil the surprise there. I'll let the presentation do the talking. We're then going to move on to a clip for Ford versus Ferrari. Okay, now obviously at the show this year for 2020, we're really showcasing the DTSX Pro software implementation that we've been able to add to the Altitude line. Interesting is that this clip is actually mastered in DTS HD. Okay, so this is not a natively immersive audio track, but we're going to use the Neuralex upmixer and upmix to all 28 speakers that we have in the cinema. Okay, so when you're listening to that, keep in mind that this was originally not an immersive mix, and see what the upmixer does. We're then going to move on to the Trinnov music machine. Okay, this is a Trinnov trailer. Okay, this is something that we've had designed and we've done ourselves. It's mixed in DTSX. Okay, and it's a very quirky trailer. It's kind of what happens when you stick a German and a Frenchman in a very dark room for a very long time. This is what comes out, so you'll see what I mean when you see it. But the key to this is it has a huge amount of simultaneous audio objects, okay? So you're really going to see the power of what the high spatial resolution system does for you. We're then going to move on to Attack on Pearl Harbor, so we're going to move to a Dolby Atmos clip. Action, a lot of bass, you're going to feel the subwoofers front and back of the room. And of course, you can't come to a trade show without either watching A Star is Born or Shallow. So Shallow or Bohemian Rhapsody, so we picked Shallow. All right, so thank you guys, enjoy the presentation, and thank you for coming by.